It's me. Listen, every day in the afternoon, two plovers go that way, past our camp. Where are they going? I wondered whether they were going to line down. I wondered if they were going to line dancing in the camp kitchen that happens. Or whether they were just heading back to their camp and they've got a swag. A swag somewhere further that way. Anyway, I got some footage of one of them today. And I painted a painting of them together. So, not an artist, but had a bit of fun capturing them with the watercolour. Loud Bird Club News. I did a painting. Love ya.